everybody. Today we have something to learn about. Guess. Yes, exactly. It's the LOL doll. Yeah! OMG. Get it. Ooh. She has jewelry. She even has some hairstyles. This is magic. Me and my mom will show you how to get some hairstyles. And you for you and me to share. He is going to cut out the stuff out. It says wow, W-O-W. Look, this is for her hair. Wow, there's 4 of them. This is a brush. Oh, look at it. It says OMG brush. Why there's so many tools? Yeah, because we have to make her hair. This LOL doll is the LOL doll that I've been waiting for. She's stuck. To the side. There's so much. Ooh, look. Wiggly finger. Let's first brush her hair. So the first step to make her hair is put some mousse on her comb. This comb. Okay, so let's do this one. Just a little bit, like that. So we're gonna brush her hair smooth. And whenever it goes away and get mushed in her hair, we need some more. Because her hair is bigger than our brush, right? So as you go, brush, it's getting smooth and smooth as you do. Smooth, right? Second, we're going to grab just a teeny piece of hair, like this. Make sure you don't have too much. Make it flat. And then get a clip. This is never going to be perfect. That's an impressive doll. Oh, it's bigger than I thought it would. Holding on. It's rainbow color.
Is this how?
She doesn't have her shoes yet.
가만 입혀.
Welcome. My name is Shariana. My name was that. It's 20 minutes, so we should probably get her hair off. Why is it like that?
No wavy. Try the other one.
Okay. That comes good too. See that little curl?
So what are you doing?
Looking for my dog.